Alright, this is the Red Raven. Welcome to my workshop. This is my first video I'm going to be posting on YouTube as the Red Raven. And today I'm going to be trying to see if I can make a fire tornado out of a polycarbonate glass. Now I know this can catch on fire, so I just have to be careful. It's not going to catch on fire right away, but I will definitely have to keep an eye on it and take some precautions. This is just to see if I can do it. The great thing is that this glass costs less than $1, so got a little dollar lighter here that should catch on fire. A little tea light candle, talking like 30 cents maybe, and then a hacksaw, of course. So alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the bottom of this glass, then I'm going to cut it in half down its length. So, alright, I'll be right back after that gets done. Alright, we're back. I have successfully cut off the bottom and cut down the middle of this glass. So now when it's put together, you can create a shaft, and then we can manipulate it to see if we can get a fire tornado. And actually, I think I want it standing like this. Not only is it more stable, but by putting it upside down, I think the natural funneled shape will help get more airflow in the bottom and focus it as it's coming out. So, without further ado, let's see what we can get going. Alright. Well, that candle does not like burning, does it? Just a little candle. Alright. If we take this and stick it straight on, then I'm not seeing anything happen, which, you know, is what you'd expect. Actually, I thought maybe it might die a little bit, but if we go like this and just set it off center, now I'm seeing some rotation. Just a little bit, not much. Maybe we can manipulate it a little more. Not really seeing too much. Of course, this flame on this candle isn't the best. Perhaps I'll need to actually get a decent sized flame and actually burn something. I'm unsure at this moment. Alright, so I have been tinkering, and I found out that this bar and chain oil I have for my chainsaw is actually perfect for sustaining a flame. I ran a test on this piece of cardboard right here, and it not only burned, but it kept burning even when I turned it up, like this. So that tells me it is very good, and so we'll try to light it in here. If my lighter will now work. Alright, this stuff is burning great. So, get it set. Alright, got a little bit of rotation in there. Ooh, it is working. It is spiraling a little bit. I do not know how well this is showing up on the camera, but that is proof of concept. It is spiraling. See if we can get it to work a bit better. That is pretty. It is a fire tornado. Zoom in. Look at that. That is beautiful. Alright, so. Alright, I gotta move this away now. It's starting to melt up top. This is flammable glass. Or not glass, but polyurethane. Or polycarbonate is what it was. So I'll let that burn out now. But that was rather interesting. Experiment success. Alright, so thanks for watching, and that's how to use a simple glass, or a polycarbonate glass, to make a fire tornado. It did take some oil, so yeah, get some oil, and a soda can, something to use as a wick, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.